Footsteps, those sound real. This paranoia, John, this is your fault. Put us in a fucking house and then we wait? What the fuck is that? That's not a attack strategy, that's a victim strategy, motherfucker.
Patience is key. Oh, he's running to our door, he's running to our door.
I had to kill him, John. He raised his hatchet to me.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh, look at his leg. It's all spindly.
Son of a bitch. You don't fuck with Larry, bitch.
You guys have that trap activated?
Okay, before you...
Oh, he's got handcuffs. What a nice fella. Take that green ball,
John,
Clava.
you scared the shit out of me.
His name was Cup.
Oh my god, if I didn't have this Makarov bird, I would have been dead. We would have both been dead, you know that?
Nah, I'm unkillable. Oh, there's another player over there. Be
Somebody
silent.
will
Be
have heard
silent.
that shit. Huh?
Be silent. He's got a gun.
Somebody's here, somebody's here.
I know.
Maybe get over here, John? This is peeking.
I don't have a gun that'll help. Mosin? But why?
Stop.
He's aiming right now.
Blitzed.
Nah, he missed.
I blitzed.
I hit him. Through the door.
You down?
I don't know. He's hit though.
Did the trap go off?
No, he didn't run over it. He stayed outside.
Only we can remote control that door.
Tie a piece of string to the knobs.
Yeah.
Oh, he's up in the window.
What?
The one over across the street.
To our right?
It's like a, yeah, it's like a hotel building.
Oh, shit.
Mosin.
You hit him?
Nah. Get close though.
Is there like 3 windows?
Yeah. He's dead.
Closing the door, John.
Oh man, his poor helmet. It was so nice
Wait,
looking.
maybe we had a Carmine.
It's gotta have. Yeah, there it is.
Let me know when you're coming back, man.
All right. I sure will. This got a lot of ammo for your 7.4U. Do you need more?
Yeah, take all you can get.
Alright. It looks like all I can get is about 1 stack.
Coming back? That you?
No, I'm not coming back. I think this is a zombie. Do you need more ammo for your pistol?
All you can bring, John. Every little bit. If I want to survive, I need to have the most.
Oh, never mind. It's just 1 bullet.
Okay.
Alright. I also got a bunch of rags.
Wait, you're staying in this building?
Huh? What, Nick?
Are you just gonna stay in there for a while?
I actually want the mag. Just in case.
Come back quickly.
Yes, I'm gonna be heading back now.
Do you get down?
Alright, I'm coming across. Oh, there's someone here. I'm in. There's people out there.
And he's in here.
Is?
Yeah. Hit him though. He's right to the right of the stairwell,
He's
brother.
down there?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Should I or should you? Don't break your leg now.
He's not down there.
Oh,
Oh shit.
Yeah, and you broke your leg. Nice job.
Yeah.
He
Yeah,
was
that's
in
what-
there.
He's not. Fuck.
Okay, get the
Help
fuck
me. Help me, friend.
up. Get in the room, John.
Whee! Hi, zombie. I'm
Echo?
gonna kill you in your sleep. Come here. Oh, yeah, zombie, why you going upstairs?
You down?
No.
Who are you
I
guys?
need you to.
There's a guy in here, John.
You fucking ghosted on us, huh? Hey, help me out, man. I'm broken legs, remember? Hey, they're coming to kill me. No.
I killed one, John.
Yeah, the other one's like outside. What the fuck? He's outside the window. The hell? Oh, he's down here again. Help me. What are you doing?
User
Larry.
left your channel.
Larry, he's killing me. Do it, Larry. Save my life. Got him, got him. He's dead.
Bandage your ass quickly.
He ruined all my bandages. I think he ghosted us, by the way. Log
What?
into
This is
another.
not a public server.
Yeah, but these ones have a connected hive. There's like 6 of these servers.
Yeah, he was in the room, in that room.
Yeah, like he shouldn't have been able to be behind us, but that's how I'm assuming.